and it's a beautiful day in Tokyo after a very long time. It's sunny and the plants are thriving, and today I'm gonna show you how I made this cardboard planter box, and I use many like this for many months. They are all recycled from the multitude of Amazon boxes that have been ordering. Let's look at the material that you're going to need to make the cardboard and plastic planter, recycled planter. You'll need any of your Amazon or any shoe box will also do, just enough to fit the internet plant that you want to put it in this. They're great for homegrown vegetables and herbs. Then you're going to need some PET bottle, just the upper half of the PET bottle with the neck and the lid. Then you will need a cutter because we'll be having to open some holes in the cardboard box and in the lids. Then we need a pair of scissors and some big size plastic bags in which your box will easily fit. So let's start. So first what you do is you take this cardboard box and you take one of your bottles, open the lid and take the inner edge of the bottleneck and mark a circle with a pencil or a pen, whatever you have. Okay, and similarly I have marked already on the other side. So what you want to do is open holes on both ends, like a diagonal ends of the box. You can make more if you want, but I think 2 are enough. Next thing that we want to do is we want to open a hole in this lid in here. Now you need to be really careful with this. Finally, we have this lid open too. Now for the lid neck, I'll just open the hole. So you have like 2 holes in your box, one on each side. Next thing is to wrap your plastic around your box. Okay, so once you have your holes in place, what you need to do is you need to identify 2 bags in which your box will easily fit, and then get your box inside the bag, try to fit the bag in and tape it across, and you're almost there. So I am taking first of all this bag, which will initially basically form the inner cover. So this is mainly I'm using for inner cover only, and it's a bit of a struggle. You have to figure out the shape of the bag that you're using and the shape of the box, and try to do a snug fit as much as possible. There, inside of the box. Now what we want to do is we want to poke again. Over here the hole got covered with the plastic, so we want to open it up. Now now is the time for the second bag to come. Now the second bag goes from outside in. So I have already made tiny holes in that. Right here. So now you have two holes. The plastic is also perforated, so you can fit through your bottle caps through it. Now what you want to do is get your cutter again and with this from inside of the box, get it through the plastic. Push it all the way through to the outside. And then earlier we made holes in this bottle cap. So you want to take the bottle cap over it. See that? That's how it should look. Similar edge, and take the other perforated bottle cap and fix it on it. And that's it. Your planter is ready. Now the next step is to plant something in it.